The country's tourism sector is set for another top-flight performance this fiscal term, coming off of a successful 2017 calendar year.
New markets is at the heart of growth for tourism. And you know that we have done well in North America. We continue to grow in Western Europe. But continental Europe, Mr. Speaker, is the new frontier for us.
Over the next few months, the island will welcome new flights from Munich, Germany, Moscow, Russia, Zurich, Switzerland, Paris, France, and Manchester in the United Kingdom. The Tourism Ministry is also pushing for more visitors out of South America. And in July, Copa Airlines will increase its service between Panama City and Montego Bay to a daily rotation. South America's second-largest airline, Avianca, is also set to begin non-stop flights between Jamaica and Colombia within 12 months. The ministry's push to build a disaster-resilient sector will receive a boost with the establishment of the Global Resilience and Crisis Management Center. It's to be housed at the University of the West Indies, Mona. The Excellence Group Luxury Hotels and Resorts will early 2019 become the newest member of the country's growing fleet of luxury brands with the opening of its $110 million hotel in Oyster Bay, Trelawney. The Charisma Hotels and Resorts expansive hotel development project in St. Anne will break ground within a few months, providing at least 8,000 direct jobs. Other brands to come on stream are the Hard Rock Hotel in Montego Bay, Playa Hotels and Resorts, and the Mami Bay development in St. Anne. The corporate area will welcome the opening of the R Hotel and another 2 new Kingston hotels over the next 12 to 18 months. These will add just under 600 rooms to the capital city's room stock.
So, Mr. Speaker, we're excited about Kingston even expanding the rooms in Kingston. The AC Marriott is about to be completed hopefully early next year. The Wyndham is adding another 300 rooms, and the R is going to be open with 50 rooms during this year.
A survey of housing needs for tourism workers was conducted, and the results indicated that more than 88% of those employed in the accommodations sector did not own a home. To address this, the Tourism Enhancement Fund and the Housing Agency of Jamaica are partnering on a project to develop housing solutions for sector workers over the next 5 years, with approximately $1 billion in funding. By December, the anticipated pension scheme for tourism workers is expected to become reality. The scheme provides for each worker to get a pension of at least $200,000. The TEF has dedicated $1 billion to the scheme over the first 4 years. To improve the skill set of the cadre of workers in the sector, there's constant review of the labor market. The Jamaica Center for Tourism Innovation, JCTI, will train more than 8,000 people over the next 5 years.
That center, as you know, and we have said it, is a training pathway institution to certify competent workers within the tourism industry. People who are sous chefs by fact, but not by name, because they're not certified. We will give them the certification from the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation.
$100 million is also being provided for the first certification program for high school students to gain entry-level qualification in tourism starting this September. And Spruce Up Jamaica is back. $1 billion has been earmarked for beautification activities this year. Meanwhile, the proposed artisan villages are taking shape. Work has started on the first of 5, which is located at Hamden Wharf in Falmouth.
What it will do is to provide the artisans and the traders and the entertainers with a beautiful, commodious location where A, they can do their production, B, they can market their wares, and C, they can provide the wonderful entertainment and food and excitement that Jamaica offers.
The Ministry of Tourism is riding on a wave of successes as it maps new routes to further improve the sector and enhance its appeal at home and abroad.